and it's not at all safe to go out. Hi guys, today is parade day. So it's a day when the British defeated Ireland and took a part of them. So the Northern Ireland is under British control right now. So it's part of the UK, and that's where I am in. Where I'm going to that to show you all. And it's like one of the biggest festival that happens in the UK. Streets are already blocked. Come to the parade, and people are all lined up to watch the parade, and there's a lot of crowd sitting and reading newspapers like it's their own garden. The Northern Ireland has 50% of Ireland people and 50% of UK, the mainland UK people. So there's always a conflict here, and it's not at all safe to go out. First, the police vehicle is coming because there used to be a lot of fights that had happened, and parallelly there is a helicopter in line with the parade. I don't find myself a little bit safe because I'm the only international who is over here. Everyone is local Britishers, and they are giving me a very weird look. Why is this guy? What is this guy doing here? Because it's something what all the Britishers celebrate. This is the first group that's coming. This is the second group.
I remember hearing this tone in some movie. If you know, please drop it in comments.
This is the troop with the flute.
The troop keeps coming non-stop one by one.
Some people are really friendly. So the people you see over there, they told me what this festival is for, and they were like, "Are you seeing it for the first time?" And it was really nice. Some people are really nice. Hold up their flags to say which troop they are. Hi. So do you know how so many different troops are formed? Spoke to this lady, and she told people from different parts of UK come here. So basically, people from Scotland also come here. So each city has troop. So there's more than 100 troops coming all the way here from different parts of UK.
They have this tradition of kids also participating as part of parade. This troop is from Scotland. So that's from South Belfast. Wearing skirt is a tradition from Scotland. This one is like 3 groups marching at the same time.
It's been more than 2 hours, and the troops are constantly coming. So I can't stand anymore. I'm going to sit. This one is from Glasgow, Scotland.
Some parade group has military car also. Their style is so different, so perfect.
It's a parade break now. People are all taking break because they have to work from morning till evening. So they're taking a short break. This guy is drinking and smoking and taking a break. It's very casual here. It's unlike India where you cannot drink in public. Here people do drink and smoke.
So that's all the parade, guys. And the after effects of parade is so bad. People have thrown things everywhere. The government has no control over the public today, and everything is just so shattered everywhere.
That's the end of the parade. The whole city is a garbage now. So it can't be any more worse. I can show you how worse it is. Glass pieces broken everywhere, bottles broken everywhere. You can't even walk.
We do think European countries are clean and everything, but there are certain days where it's completely out of control. People go crazy. So that's it. See you guys in next video. Support by subscribing the channel so I'll be able to travel more and show you more.